Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Stripe account to your Shopify store when Stripe is not enabled by default in your country. So if Stripe is not enabled by default in your country, that doesn't mean you won't still be able to use Stripe. The only difference is that you need to set up a business in the US. So once you have a business entity in the US, when you have an incorporation like an LLC in the US, you'll be given an EIN that you can use to create your Stripe account. And once your Stripe account is up and ready, you can now connect it to your Shopify store, then use it to receive payment from your customer. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily connect your Stripe account to your Shopify store. So this is my Shopify account. So I'm going to walk you through what you can expect, what you're going to see. So for you to link the two together, what you want to do is you want to come over here, then click on settings. So when you click on settings, what you want to do is you want to click on payment. So when you click on payment here, this is what you're going to see. So here, what you want to choose is click on choose a provider. So when you click on choose a provider, so you want to come over here, then click on, then type or search for Stripe. Alright, so as you can see, it says Stripe is unavailable in your country. Now, the reason I'm saying this is because Stripe is unavailable by default in my country, but that doesn't mean I can't use it. So if I want to use it, what I want to do is just click on it. Now, what you see that says Stripe is unavailable in your country, so click on this arrow. So when you click on this arrow, it's going to redirect you to Stripe, where you can easily connect your Stripe to your Shopify store. Now, the only difference is that you must have a Stripe account already. So once you have a Stripe account already, then enter the email of the Stripe account here, then you'll be able to connect the two together. So this is how it works. So if you go over to Stripe, now these are all the countries where Stripe is available. So if your country is not among all of these countries, so that means Stripe is not available in your country. So there are some countries here that says extended network. So the countries that says extended network, that doesn't mean Stripe is available in those countries. Now, the reason they included this country is because this country are using Paystack, and Paystack is a new company that Stripe has acquired in Africa. So if Paystack is available in your country, this doesn't mean you'll be able to use Paystack to receive international payment. You still need to register a business in the US. So let me quickly show you. So for example, looking at Nigeria here. So when you click on extended network here, so this is what you're going to see. So it says Paystack is a Stripe subsidiary company focused on accelerating online commerce across Africa. So if you scroll down here, so if you come over here, then it says I'm a business owner based in Africa and I would like to accept both local as well as international online payment. Can I do this with Paystack? So if you come over here, it says it is not unusual to see business use Paystack for local payments within Africa and use Stripe for international payments. So it says doing this requires registering a business in the US. So it's the part taken by business who are confident in their ability to stay on top of various tax obligations of being a US registered company. So Stripe Atlas is like a company that Stripe themselves use to help people incorporate business in the US, but the service charge for Stripe Atlas is very, very much expensive. This is why I usually recommend you go with Northwest. So I did a video already on how you can go about it. I'm also going to add a link to Northwest at the description of the video where you can use it to set up a business in the US. So once you have a business registered in the US, you're going to gain access to your own personal EIN. So this personal EIN is what you're going to be using to create your own Stripe account. So as you can see now, this is the same method I used to create my own Stripe account, and you can see it says my account is active. So this is what you have to do. So go over to Northwest. I'm going to add a link to them at the end of the video. So now that you set up your Stripe account, what you want to do is come over here, then click on Stripe. So once you click on Stripe, enter your Stripe email address here, then click on continue. All right, so as you can see, so all I have to do here is just choose the account from my Stripe account that I want to connect to this Shopify store. So all I have to do is just click on connect. So if I connect it, it's going to be linked together with my Shopify store. So this is basically how you can connect your Shopify store to your Stripe account for those that Stripe is limited in their country. All right. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.